Good afternoon everyone. My today's topic is World Hindi Day. It is celebrated on 10th January every year to promote Hindi all around the world. This year 2022 UNESCO World Heritage Center has agreed to publish Hindi description of Indian World Heritage Site on its website. This was firstly celebrated on 2006 in the commemoration of the World Hindi Conference, which was held on 10 January 1975.
हिंदी कौन से भाषा से आई है?
So it's from Persian Hind, which means land of.
Hindi came from Apabhransh.
Yes, sir.
Apabhransh came from Sanskrit. और ये सब पार्ट किसका है? इंडो यूरोपियन लैंग्वेजेस का हिस्सा है. हाँ बोलो.
And sir, World Hindi building is also inaugurated in Mauritius in 2018. It is different from National Hindi Day. National Hindi Day is celebrated on 14 September when Republic of India adopted Hindi as an official language on 14 September 1949. The people who eminent personality who worked for development of Hindi were
ठीक है, नो इशू. हिंदी डे मनाने के फायदे क्या होंगे?
So firstly, the Indian diaspora they can celebrate their language, and so government initiative has also been taken as ICCR, which means Indian Council for Culture Relation, where Hindi chair is developed for universities.
ठीक है, फाइन, गुड. नेक्स्ट.
So my topic is Sahitya Academy Awards. Sahitya Academy Awards, which is also known as the Sahitya Academy Main Awards. It was started by Sahitya Academy, India's National Academy of Letters and Government of India in 1954. This award is conferred on writers for their literary work in 24 Indian languages recognized by the Academy. These languages include English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali, Punjabi.
22 languages or 24 languages?
24 languages.
और 22 तो ऑलरेडी हैं, वो तो
22 which are listed in 8th schedule, and other are English and Rajasthani. English and Rajasthani. This award comprises of a plaque and a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. One more thing, this plaque was designed by Indian filmmaker Satyajit Ray. R.K. Narayan was the first one who received this award, and on 30 December 2021, Namita Gokhale and Anuradha Sharma Pujari have received this award for their novels. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट.
Good afternoon. My topic is National War Memorial. National War Memorial is situated at India Gate Circle, New Delhi. It was built in the memory and in the honor of the Indian Armed Forces personnel killed in the war between India, Pakistan or China, or the Operation Rakshak Pavan, or the War of Goa. The names of the personnel killed in the war is inscribed in the golden letters at the Indian War Memorial. It was built in 2019. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the presence of CDS and the 3 chiefs of Indian Armed Forces on 25th February 2019. Alongside the government of India decided to build National War Museum, which would include all the objects related to the armed and military forces of India and the memorials of the persons killed in the war. Initially, it was expected to be a project of rupees 500 crore, both the War Memorial and the War Museum. The Amar Jyoti Jawan was previously at the India Gate, which was considered as the War Memorial, which was built by Indira Gandhi for the 1971 Indo-Pak War, in the remembrance of the people killed. But later on in 2022, by Air Force Chief Marshal Balbhadra Radhakrishna. The Amar Jyoti was immersed with the Amar Jyoti at the National War Memorial, and thus it became one. And the war memorial include concentric circles which have 4 parts: Amar Chakra, Veerta Chakra,